guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are decorating my wellness planner slash self-care planner for the week of Monday, June 3rd through Sunday, June 9th. I have been waiting to decorate this spread with my new self-care stickers. I'm going to be using all of the bright color scheme stickers. So this is moods, habits, steps, and weight. And then I'm going to be using the quotes, the bright quotes, and some of my activities. So let's go ahead and get started. So each day I do want to monitor my moods. So I want to kind of match up stickers. I'm sorry. I just kind of went blank there on you. I'm sorry. I want to match the colors that are in my quotes. So of course it's not going to be a perfect match, but we're going to go with it. Now these stickers fit perfectly inside of the boxes of your wellness planner. So we're just going to kind of stagger the mood stickers down here towards the bottom, and I'm just going to stagger the colors. These mood stickers will be available in my shop. Well, they should be available today when you're seeing this video, Friday, June 7th. All stickers in my shop are 50% off, no code needed until further notice. So grab all of your planner stickers, organizing stickers, everything, decorative stickers. You can get those in my shop 50% off. Eventually that sale will end. I'm just not exactly sure when it will end, but it will be in the near future. So grab your stickers while you can. All right, so now we got my moods in there. So then I'm going to do some habit trackers. Now I'm trying to think what habits I want to track. Do these fit? I don't know where these fit. So they don't really fit. So I'm going to put them at the bottom. I definitely want to track outside walks. I want to at least go on one outside walk a day. And then I think I want to, well, I don't think, I definitely want to play ball with my dogs once a day outside. They love playing ball. Now next week it's supposed to be pretty hot. We'll see how we all fare. It'll have to be in the evening time as it's cooling down, because I think it's supposed to be high humidity and in the 90s next week. So we'll just have to be careful that nobody plays too hard, and we don't want any heat strokes over here. All right, and then we're going to do my steps. So I definitely want steps, and we're going to do this in my movement section. So I'm just going to stick with the pink and blue, but I'm going to do the blue where I've got pink, and then vice versa. Just so I'm kind of staggering my colors. I think that's a little crooked, but it's okay. And then I need 4 pink ones. So I've been trying to go on walks around the pond outside. Oh no, I skipped that one. Look what I did. I bet y'all are screaming at me. I totally messed that up. I'm just going to put a pink one there. Yikes. It's okay. It will be okay. It's not the end of the world. Let me straighten this up just a tad. So doing it this way with stickers keeps me from having to constantly rewrite these things, because it gets kind of redundant when you're constantly writing the same thing in your planner over and over and over again. So stickers make life easy. Easier. All right, let's grab a blue one, and I need a pink habit, or a pink mood. Can't believe I did that. I mean, I can believe I did that, actually. Okay, So I'm not really going to be using the journaling parts down at the bottom of this spread because I do have a separate journal that I use. So not really worried about journaling much on this spread. I want to just track like statistics and things like that. And so then we're going to do one weight sticker, like a weekly weigh-in type thing. So we're just going to go up here and put weights. Okay, so far so good. All right, and then intention, I normally just kind of write in what my intention is for the day. And then I have been recording my meals down here. So I'm going to try to fit a quote in somewhere. I really want to use "don't trip over what's behind you." Just not sure how I can make this work. I may end up making these available in a mini size. I think I'm going to pick up the steps boxes and put over top of this quote if I can. Like that. May have to grab my undo. Oh, let's grab the undo because I'm going to ruin that sticker. Okay, and once that dries, it'll be sticky again. And then we'll cut this off the bottom. Perfect. And then I think I'm going to put one up here. I want to use "Darling, You Are Fabulous." Just as a little reminder, note to self. And I think we're just going to lay it right down here. So I'm going to attempt to pull up these steps boxes. And if I can't, I'll grab my undo again. Nope, I got them. And I may end up covering up a little bit of the lettering, but that's okay. I can still see what it says because I do need to write, or room to write, food for Tuesday, and I may have to write my food up top on intention as well, but it's okay. So I'll keep that in mind whenever I lay down my activities. Now I'm going to lay down these activities up top on my intention. It doesn't mean that I'm going to do this particular activity on that particular day, if that makes sense. I definitely want to color this week because I have my new coloring sheets. So we're going to color a picture. And definitely want to go outside. And I need to start decluttering, but who knows if that'll really happen. Kind of don't want to put it on a decluttering sticker on this week because I can't be sure that I'm actually going to declutter. So why don't we go for a walk? So we'll put that there. So like I said, I've got these up here as just things that I want to get done throughout the week. It doesn't mean that I'm going to go outside on Thursday. I really want to go outside every day and go for a walk every day. I'd love to color a picture every day too. So who knows if that'll really happen. We'll see. All right, so I think I'm done with this spread. It's very simple, but this is a self-care / wellness planner, so it's not meant to be decorative, pretty, and all those fun things. It is meant to be super functional. So that's just kind of what I'm going for. Now on my monthly here, what I'm going to be doing with my monthly is I'm going to take these stickers. So I have these emoji stickers. So each day I'm going to track my mood. So today is Sunday the 2nd, and I'm feeling very productive and happy. So we're just going to put that guy there. And then yesterday I was happy again. So these new meds are really helping me tremendously. And then I'd like to also track the weather. So it's been pretty sunny each day. Actually, I want to use a mini weather. So we'll do a little sunshine up here in the corner. and it was sunny again today. All right, so that's what I plan to do, track my mood and the weather each day on the monthly calendar. And this will just kind of give me a big overview, like I don't even know the word I'm looking for, just like an overview of how I've felt during the different weeks of the month, like the cycles of the month that I go through, us ladies go through, and then the weather, because the weather can also affect our moods. All right, so let's put these back up, and then I'll go back to that spread and show you what we've got. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this quick video. Oh, I was going to use some washi. Let me do some washi. Hold that thought. I was actually going to use this washi and bring out some of the yellow in that sticker there. So let's just do that real quick. Sorry about that, y'all. Tricked you. I'm not done. So we're just going to go with a little bit. It's like the perfect space up here to put this little skinny washi, so I like to do it. So just real quick, we'll just put some of that in there. And then we'll put a little bit down here. And then we'll have yellow in the spread, so that we're not just doing the pink and the blue. Perfect. Look at there. All right, now the spread is finished. Now we can put it back in my planner. So let me say my little spiel again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. So I think this is my last video of the week. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye, y'all.